Alright, so this is in an alley just right off of Foster Street. It's even like an abandoned house over there. Wow, what a time capsule. Wonder how long this truck has been here. But it's this one I really wanted to film. It's a Chevy. This isn't the first time I noticed it. I actually noticed it when I first moved to Arcata a couple years ago. You know what makes this find so unique is that all over Arcata there are new apartments, new homes, just being developed everywhere if you think about it. And it's kind of rare to have something like this in the alley just sitting here year after year in this modern day age. Somehow it has withstood the test of time. And I wonder how many more years it will remain here.